Hi everybody, it is day 4 math time. We are going to be working on lesson 34. Here's Bo. It's always funny whenever I sit at this table, he's always in the same spot. You heard my name, didn't you, Bo? He was a naughty dog today. When you come to school Thursday, I'll tell you why. All right, so go ahead and grab your day number 4 packet and a pencil. And as soon as you get it, please put your names on top. I'm going to say that twice. Please put your names on top. We seem to be having trouble with that. So today our objective is to subtract mixed numbers. So we're going to start right out with problem number 1. We're going to take 8 and 1/10. And we are going to subtract 8/10. Now, remember, we subtract ones from ones, fractions from fractions. When I look at my fractions, do I have enough tenths to subtract 8/10? Well, no. So what I'm going to decompose is I'm going to decompose the 8 ones. I'm going to take 1 away from it and leave it with 7. And that other one I'm going to turn into 10/10. I'm turning them into tenths because that's what our denominator is. Now, before I subtract, I'm not just dealing with the number 8. I also have the fractional piece of 1/10. So I'm going to take the 10/10 and I'm going to add in the 1/10. When I do that, I get 11/10. So now what I'm really doing is taking 7 and 11/10 and I'm subtracting 8/10. It's really important, everybody. I want you to show me all of the steps. I need to see your work. So now I can say 7 minus nothing is 7. 11/10 minus 8/10 is 3/10. So the difference is 7 and 3/10. All right, let's try number 2. This time we're going to take 11 and 1/5 and we are going to subtract 2 and 3/5. So right away, do I have enough fifths to subtract 3 from? No, because I can't do 1 minus 3. So I'm going to decompose the 11 into 10 and 5/5. Biggest mistake 4th graders do, they forget that this 1/5 is part of the mixed number. So I have to add it in to the 1 that I decomposed. So I get 6/5. Now what I'm really doing is taking 10 and 6/5 and I'm subtracting 2 and 3/5. So I do my whole numbers first. 10 minus 2 is 8. Then I do my fractional units. 6/5 minus 3/5 is 3/5. So the difference is 8 and 3/5. All right, let's turn the page. You have the problem set to do for homework. I want you to do C and D, and then 3A, B, C, and D. Please show me all your work and bring this to school with you when you come back on Thursday.